Ngayon we are entering in the section 4 of our material. So this is about the civil penalties. Now the question is the how much is the penalty and interest for the taxpayer and determination of the taxpayer based on annual sales. Kasi sa ngayon yung penalty kasi is magbabase na kung ano yung size mo as a taxpayer. Mayroon na kasing threshold ngayon na 20 million. Pag nakabot ka ng 20 million, you as a taxpayer would be penalized if you are subject to penalty at saka subject to interest na doon sa regular na 25% at saka doon sa 12% na interest rate. Anyway, let's move on to our multiple choice question. Sunshine Bakery is a single proprietorship. For the taxable period year 2024, its audited financial statements show gross sales of 15 million. Now, with this gross sales, pasok siya doon as a small and micro taxpayer. It failed to file its income tax return, but the tax due of 500,000 on April and paid the tax due on April 15. So, hindi siya nakapag-file, hindi siya nakapagbayad doon sa April 15, 2025. The owner voluntarily filed the return and paid the full tax due on April 15, 2026. So, 1 year late na siya. Siya nakadiscover, so voluntarily nag-file siya without waiting for the BIR notice. Now, based on the ease of paying taxes, classification rates, what is the total amount of the surcharge and the interest Sunshine Bakery must pay in addition to the basic tax? Well, obviously, it must be 10% at saka 6% dito. Kasi, again, ibabalik ko yung sinabi ko kanina or uulitin ko na ang classification would change to medium kasi pag 20 million to less than yung 20 million, medium 20 million to 1 billion yung annual sales mo. Pero pag less than 20 million, doon ka mabibilong sa mababa. Okay? Mababa na computation. So in this case, 15 million kasi yung kanya. So therefore, si Sunshine ay nabibilong siya as a small taxpayer. So, yung kanyang applicable na rate is 10%, hindi 25%. So, ito yon. At saka, ang kanyang annual interest rate na applicable sa kanya is 6%. That is ang tawag dyan is yung sa late na interest, which is deficiency interest. Okay. Okay. So, the computation, total penalties na babayaran niya is 80,000. So, to compute, bali, doon sa 15 million, mag-multiply ka lang ng 10%. So, that is, magkano yan? Sorry. Anong nangyari pala? Sorry. Hindi 15 million. Sorry. That's 500K. So, 10% of that is 50,000. Pagdating naman sa interest, since 1 year late siya, nakapag-file siya after 1 year na, so, doon pa rin sa 500K, multiply ka ng 6%. So, that's 30K. So, times 12, 365 over 365. Okay, days. So, total of 80,000. So, our answer is letter C. Ngayon, paano kung si bakery ay mayroong gross sales na 25 million instead of 15? So, 25 na siya. So, mag-iba na yung kanyang, babayaran dito. Maging subject na siya sa 25% doon sa surcharge. Tapos, doon sa interest is 12% na din ang babayaran niya. So, multiply ka doon sa 500K. Ito naman sa 500K times 365 over 365. Okay, yon. So, first is 125,000. Tapos, dito sa baba is 185,000. So, sorry, 60,000. So, a total of 185,000.